So, I would not at all compare it to any of my films. Forget Shandar. None of the films that I've done. That's also the reason why I did this film, because I feel like it's a very special family film.
I repeat, it has nothing to do with Shandar.
You are intellectual by your genes itself.
Sorry, intellectual.
Yeah.
Okay.
You are
I'll take
intelligent.
that.
हमारी जीन्स में क्या प्रॉब्लम है?
So I think you are the person in the country who is known for his or her general knowledge. Okay.
Yeah.
So we will just like
His or her? How can I be his or her? Your general knowledge is a little poor, my friend.
Sorry.
His or her कैसे हो सकती हूँ मैं? दिखती हूँ his.
And what about your general knowledge? Alia is known for your general knowledge.
Apparently, his or her is known for the general knowledge. Anyway, आपका question.
Okay.
I normally get that his or her. I don't know how you got it.
So will you please like to speak something about the chemistry? This chemistry.
Okay, before I answer that, why did you? Okay, because of chemistry, you're talking about general knowledge. You have to bring general knowledge up in some way, na? So that your question gets picked up, so that XYZ digital media writes about it. कि ये journalist ने ये question पूछा क्योंकि general knowledge का जो question आया था. That's the reason, na?
Yeah.
I'm also a psychologist, so I'm also kind of trying to understand. What do I think about chemistry between actors or in life?
And I think you can just take help of Fawad and Siddharth as well.
मेरे को तो समझ ही नहीं आया क्या सवाल है आपका? I need some help right now.
Let me say something. I feel कि इस फिल्म में स्पेशली केमिस्ट्री सिर्फ लव के एंगल में नहीं है. केमिस्ट्री इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फैमिली में भी. मदर फादर, मदर सन, फादर सन, हमारे जो दादू है उनके साथ भी, एंड ऑफ कोर्स गर्ल एंड बॉयज. सो आई फील अ होल द केमिस्ट्री ऑफ अ कास्ट ऑन द होल ऑन दिस सेट और ऑन दिस फिल्म was very, very special.
Karan sir over here. First row, towards here. Sir, you know, usually films are promoted for 2 months, but for this film, you are just promoting it for 38 days. So what is the idea behind the entire promotional strategy?
That actually we're not supposed to be any more promoting films for 2 months because it's really not required. Most films have a 5 to 6 week window now. And I think that's where you can maximize your expense and also create maximum impact. It's the new way forward. For most films, I think जो 2 महीने का हुआ करता था, I think it's been stretched now because I think there's so much content out there कि exhaustion सा हो जाता है एक ही फिल्म के बारे में सुनना, वही गाने play करना. तो by the time the film releases it, you feel कि release हो चुकी है already. तो जब 5 या 6 हफ्ते का window होता है, तो it keeps the film more alive, more fresh, more kicking in that sense.
So will we see all the Dharma films after this being promoted in a similar manner?
Yeah, in fact, I hope there's a zone we don't need to promote the film at all. जैसे हुआ करता था when I was a director in the 90s, the late 90s, just specifying, जब कुछ होता है कभी खुशी कभी गम ऐसी पिक्चर है जो मैं अपने खुद के बारे में बोल सकता हूँ. There was no such thing as promotion. It was the trailer and it was the music and it was out. अब हमें हर जगह now we are going to the opening of an envelope also. You know, we are reaching almost everywhere trying to sell our film. ऐसा लगता है कि हम भीख मांग रहे कि भगवान के लिए आके हमारी पिक्चर देखो. हम मार्केटिंग कम भीख ज्यादा मांगने लगे. तो आई थिंक इट्स नॉट द वे वी लाइक द मीडिया सपोर्ट इज ऑलवेज बीन वेरी इंटेग्रल टू ऑल ऑफ अस एंड आई फील कि वो 5 हफ्ते में भी आप हमें सपोर्ट करेंगे 8 हफ्ते या 9 हफ्ते की क्या जरूरत है.
Alia, Karan here from Radio City. Hi, this side on your
Karan.
right. Yeah. So मैं जानता था Valentine's के लिए कोई ना कोई question तो पूछ ही लेगा. So I just want to surprise you by giving you chocolate because yesterday chocolate day था.
Oh, sweet.
So I'll leave the rest of questions to the press. I'll just give you this chocolate.
Which chocolate is it?
Dairy Milk.
Okay, give. ये होती है पब्लिसिटी. थैंक यू.
क्या केमिस्ट्री वाला सवाल?
केमिस्ट्री.
ये मुझे लगता है ये कपूर हैं जिनके साथ आप जाने वाली.
Hi, Siddharth, on your right. This is Karmik here from mykarmik.com. Siddharth, see, last time when you were fighting with Varun for Alia in your debut movie, you took her. अच्छा, अभी इस बार would you be willing to let her go for Fawad?
See, you'll find out. As we said, it's a journey.
कि जब भी आलिया होगी, you will stick on to her.
Oh, अच्छा. वो कहानी के ऊपर है, हमारे डायरेक्टर बताएंगे. पर आई थिंक इट्स नॉट अबाउट वन पर्टिकुलर एस्पेक्ट. ये ट्रू एंसेम्बल है, इसमें बहुत सारी चीजें हैं. एवरी फैमिली मेंबर हैज इट्स ओन
50-50 कर लेते हैं यार हम आपस में.
आधी
कर लेते हैं, कट रहे हैं हाफ एंड टेक.
Yeah, exactly. उनका आजकल विमेन एम्पावरमेंट का जमाना है. शी शुड डिसाइड.
ये क्वेश्चन मेरे लिए नहीं था.
अगर होता तो
क्वेश्चन क्या होगा फिर?
तो प्रोड्यूसर के साथ चली जाती. चलो नेक्स्ट.
Okay, the next question is for you, Alia. In fact, when I was watching the movie, it kind of reminded me of Shandar, though there is nothing
movie is it?
similar to it.
What?
You've seen the film?
Trailer.
Trailer. It
Yeah.
reminded you of Shandar from which
In a way,
angle?
no, the family, the family drama around it, and
नहीं
I mean, of course, there's
बिल्कुल
nothing-
नहीं.
She's not the Kapoor Khandan. बहन नहीं
No,
मेरी
no.
भाई.
हाँ मैं बहन नहीं हूँ. मैं
दोस्त है,
बहन नहीं
मैं
हूँ.
girl next door.
So उसमें there were two sisters and there was Shahid in the middle, and of course there is.
Shahid was never in the middle of the sisters, and anyway.
No, as in, of course, not in a love,
Okay.
not in a love triangle way, but the family drama around it, and so is there, how different is this from that movie, and what is it that you want to say?
No, completely different. This is, as Karan said earlier, this is when in a family there's conflict, there's drama, there's love, there's emotions. So it is about a family, and it is about the love and the emotions and the affection and the whatever conflict that they share. It's literally following a family's journey. So I would not at all compare it to any of my films. Forget Shandar. None of the films that I've done. That's also the reason why I did this film, because I feel like it's a very special family film.
I repeat, it has nothing to do with Shandar.
Hi, Shakun. Bhavna here from Z News, first show. Shakun, on your left. हाय आपकी जब पहली फिल्म आई थी प्रमोशंस के दौरान आपके एक्टर्स ने कहा था कि हमारा डायरेक्टर जब सेट पे आया इतना छोटा सा लगता था, हमें लगता था कि कैसे हम लोगों को 2 इंच लंबे हो गए पर अभी आपको स्टार्स आपके कितना सीरियसली लेते हैं?
बिल्कुल सीरियसली लेते हैं. तो मेरे को बार एक तो सिद्धार्थ तो बोलता है कि तू ज़्यादा बोलेगा मारूंगा तुझे. So then I have my EDs are really tall and big, so I just put my EDs in front and then I just stay at the monitor.
Actually, जब भी कुछ
Not when it comes to a director. Not when it comes to a director.
Ali, you were saying something.
I was saying whenever there's to be any.
I can't give you statistics now, huh?
Actually, Alia used to really help me out.
Just keep quiet. I was going to say something else. No, that was not what you're going to say.
I just want to say, Shakun, however short he is, he's made a really tall film, and that's what matters.
No, it's okay. Now you can.
No one didn't say anything. Karan said it very well. No, but I was going to say that Sid used to pick Shakun up whenever there used to be any confusion. No, Shakun.
Oh, like that.
No, Shakun, don't go. Like that.
गुस्सा शकुन से पूछिए रियल में तो शकुन बताएगा ना सेट पे. रियल लाइफ में मैं घर पे कैसा हूँ वैसा. Alia will tell why.
गुस्से वाला you are गुस्से वाला? No.
No.
He's sweet. I mean, गुस्सा तो सबको आता है.
चीज़ पे गुस्सा आता है.
But he's not a गुस्से वाला.
सब कुछ आता है. I think everybody has different. मैं जहाँ अलग-अलग जगह पे अलग-अलग moods हैं मेरे. आज क्या है mood तेरा भाई?
तू बता. नहीं मैं.
जिम.
I think these guys can vouch for me. मैं बड़ा ठंडा आदमी हूँ. उस लिहाज से
वैसे बिल्कुल गलत है. ये कोई ठंडे आदमी नहीं है. मैं कह रहा हूँ कि फवाद की जो है 2 पर्सनालिटी है. फवाद को जो दिखता है वो बिकता नहीं. मैं इतना ही कहना चाहूँगा.
This serious demeanor even I'm getting confused with. No, he is hot.
Why are you asking me? वो ठंडे नहीं है. It doesn't make him hot immediately. ना, it makes him interesting. एक प्रोसेस होता है. ठंडे से गर्मी तक एक प्रोसीजर होता है वहां पहुंचने में.
हाय
फवाद को वेदर चैनल बना दिया हमने.
मेरा सवाल माता और पिता से है, यानी रजत सर और रत्ना मैम से. मैम आपके लेफ्ट में. हाँ, मेरा सवाल है कि ऐसे 2 बच्चों को संभालना कितना आसान या मुश्किल था रियल लाइफ में?
रियल लाइफ में.
रियल
हम लोगों ने उनको फॉरेन से पेशतर अमेरिका भेज दिया. तो आप समझ लें जो जितना मुश्किल था. जैसा ट्रेलर बताता है.
Yeah, the film is about conflicts in the family, so you will see some conflicts, and I think that drama is what keeps it up.
Almost any family, I suppose, these kind of conflicts, things that we pretend to hide, but they're all there. That's what makes films interesting.
Fawad?
Oh, no, not at all. This was quite different.
Hi, Alia.
We have last 2 questions in the house,
Fawad,
ladies and
I have a
gentlemen.
question for you. This movie is about
This movie is about families. You are far away from your family here in India. How has India treated you? Has Bollywood opened up to you? And how do you react as an artist when the political situations between both these countries go haywire?
Actually, to be very honest, I'm a very politically illiterate person. मतलब I don't keep up with current affairs. तो मेरा इस मामले में इतना उलझना बनता नहीं है या होता नहीं है. जब भी मैं आया हूँ, I have always experienced a tremendous amount of hospitality in India, and all the people, all the Indian people, and they've given such a lovely and warm welcome. यार एक सेकंड बात तो कर लेने दे भाई. So to cut the long story short, the point is कि last time around as well, और इस दफा भी, like I said, मतलब शुरू में I summed it up like it's a family, and wherever I've gone in India, it has always been an amazing experience. चाहे वो कुनूर हो, चाहे वो कोयम्बटूर हो, चाहे वो राजस्थान में
word है मसला.
हाँ. So
बता रहा हूँ.
So
बोलो कोई मसला नहीं था.
Family का जहाँ तक है, yeah, I do miss my family, but these guys make up for what I'm missing out. Probably not completely because बात बेटे में जान है मेरी, but yeah, I feel at home.